What can be better than a Gladiator Rubicon? Well, of course, one that's built to the hilt like this. We're gonna show you why it's awesome and how we did it. So this Gladiator behind me is built to be a vehicle that you can drive every single day and still take to the trailhead and wheel it pretty hard. What we did to make this thing happen is used a Metal Cloak 3.5-inch kit. This is their dual rate kit, so it doesn't come with all of their control arms, but it comes with everything needed to have a perfect, geometrically correct suspension lift. Now I want to show you these shock relocation brackets. The Fox shocks that come on this Gladiator are already pretty awesome from Jeep. So why throw them away, right? That's what MetalCloak thought, and they designed these relocation brackets so that the shock has enough travel to make sure everything's working and the tires are staying on the ground. While we're down here, let's keep the conversation going with wheels and tires. This is a 37 1250 17 Nitto Ridge Grappler. Now we use Nitto Ridge Grapplers a lot because they balance out well almost every single time. And that's really awesome. It's a really good tire that's quiet on the road, yet can really perform in the dirt. These wheels are from Teraflex, and they are awesome. They've got a built-in air down knob, and we've done videos on these before. They look good, they're really rugged, and for the future, they have a cool ring that is a rock rash ring that will protect the edge of the wheel. So the customer might upgrade to that in the future, who knows? Bumpers and winch. Both the bumpers on this vehicle are made by DV8 Off-Road. Now these things are burly. They give you mounts for LED lighting here and here, which come with them. And of course have an integrated winch mount, so we can mount this worn VR10S Evo right there. Of course we finish every single winch off with a Factor 55. This is their Flat Link E, which is super, super nice. So to roll this thing down the road, you can't see it now, but we actually changed the gears in the differentials out with Revolution Gear 488 ring and pinions. They make an awesome, awesome, awesome gear. We install them all the time. Check out these beefy Rockslides from Rockslide Engineering. One thing that's really, really cool about these is that they're triggered to the door. So you've got a step when you need it and a burly rock slider when you don't. Now these things are really long and they go from fender flare to fender flare. They're wired to every single door and they make access really easy. We installed a tonneau cover here and again this rear bumper from DV8. I think this Jeep turned out incredibly awesome. It'd be one that I'd be happy to drive every single day, and I'm sure you would too. Let us know what you think about this truck, about the color, and the upgrades that we did. If you want some inspiration with some trucks like it, check out the showcase section of our website, because there's a whole bunch of cool vehicles there that will be sure to give you inspiration. Let us know what you think in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you're there, make sure you hit the bell for notifications. Otherwise, keep following us on the gram, on Facebook, and all of our stories. Thanks for watching.